Hi guys, welcome to Khushi's Kitchen. Today I am going to prepare Indian kebab named chicken satay coated with red hot spicy Chinese sauce. If you like the recipe, then press the like button and share it more with your family, friends and relatives too. Please consider the channel Khushi's Kitchen for subscription and press the bell icon to get notified of my new cooking recipe video update in advance. Let's start the video and quickly have a look to the ingredients which are enlisted for making this special recipe. The ingredients list with detailed measurement are given here on the front page. After starting the video, to make chicken satay starter, here I have taken 700 grams of boneless chicken, cut it into medium size cubes. First I wash the chicken well with tepid water and place the whole chicken cubes in a rice strainer to remove the extra water. Now I am taking all the chicken cubes in a bowl for marination from the strainer. Here I am adding salt to taste, black pepper powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, chicken tikka masala powder, amchur powder, black salt and ajinomoto. Now giving a quick and good mix. Here I am adding garlic green chili paste, ginger paste to once mixing them well all with the chicken pieces. Then I am adding some green chili sauce, mustard sauce, tomato sauce and a fresh lime juice. Now with clean hands I am mixing the whole chicken cubes well with all the masalas and sauces thoroughly. Now I am keeping the marination bowl inside a plain freezer for 45 minutes. In the meanwhile, I am cutting the vegetables. Here I have taken some onions, cut it 1 by 2, then remove the shells. Also cutting capsicum, first removing the seeds and then cutting them into big cubes. After cutting capsicum, here now I am taking tomatoes and cutting them into thick round shape. These are the vegetables needed for chicken satay recipe. Also, soaking some wooden sticks in water for 10 minutes. For making the Chinese sauce, here I am chopping some garlic, ginger and onions too. I am taking a bowl, adding Szechuan sauce, tomato sauce, ajinomoto and also little bit soya sauce. Now I am mixing all the sauces well with the help of a spoon. After 45 minutes I am taking out the marinated chicken bowl from the freezer. Look here, I am taking one satay stick. First put a onion shell, then the capsicum and the marinated chicken and one tomato. Then again marinated chicken cubes, one slice tomato, then another chicken cubes, one capsicum piece and one onion piece. In the same manner I am arranging all the satay stick, followed by the vegetables and chicken cubes. After preparing all the kebab sticks, I am keeping it on a plate. Now here you can see I am taking a bowl where I am adding some all-purpose flour, corn flour, baking powder, salt, black salt, pepper powder and chaat masala powder. Mixing the whole with hands. Then I am adding the eggs whisked the eggs with all the ingredients well thoroughly so that there are no lumps formed in the mixture. In another plate, I am taking some amount of corn flour, salt to taste, a little bit black salt, chaat masala too. After adding all the ingredients, I am mixing the whole well. Now I am dipping one satay stick in egg mixture, then roll it on corn flour. Brush the extra out. By following the same process, I have completed the whole. Then keeping them on deep freezer for 10 minutes for setting. In the meantime, now here I am preparing the Chinese sauce. First, adding a little bit oil in a frying pan. When the oil becomes heated, I am adding chopped garlic, chopped onion, chopped ginger, also 1 slitted chili, and early I am frying it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then I am pouring the sauce which I have previously mixed in a bowl. Here also I am adding a little bit water from the previous mixing sauce bowl. After adding all, I am giving a quick and good stir and allows to cook until the oil separated from the sauce. Now I am switching off the flame. After taking out the marination plate from the deep freezer and allows to come on normal temperature. Here I am placing a frying pan on a gas burner. Turn the flame on high and add sufficient quantity of vegetable oil in it. After adding the oil and allows to be heated well. When the oil becomes heated, then I am placing the satay stick one by one on hot oil and allows to cook for 7 minutes until the chicken satay becomes half done on medium flame. By following the same process, I have completed the chicken satay frying and placing them in a rice strainer. After have done the chicken satay frying, let the satay being cooled down totally. For deep frying the satay stick, here I am repeating the same process again, that is dipping, coating in corn flour and then again heated the oil for deep frying. Now turning the gas on high flame and deep fry the satay stick. Here this process has to be done for making the chicken satay crispy from outside and juicy from inside. In this manner, I have completed deep frying process of the whole chicken satay and keeping it in a rice strainer to remove the excess oil from it. Now we have done our tasty, delicious and yummy chicken satay is ready to be served as a starter. Coat the chicken satay with Chinese sauce by turning it upside down once, or else you can serve it with Chinese sauce. But this step is totally optional. After 2-3 minutes, I am taking a serving plate, placing all the chicken satay and garnish them well with roasted sesame seeds, chopped capsicum and chopped coriander leaves. If you like the food recipe, then do try it at least once at home and let me know by comments in comment section below. I am ending today's video for the time being with this prayer. All of you being stay well being and will come back shortly with a new cooking recipe video. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected. Thanks for watching. Thanks to all.